Okay, yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, it is 2 cars. $201 and $224. I don't know why my video kept ending.
I don't know. My video kept ending.
What the heck is that effect?
Okay, look, I actually did it.
What?
I actually like stop record. I actually like pause. Yo, are you cutting another one?
Well, maybe. It's not a 3-car train. The 2 3-car trains I've seen are not in service, so I don't think they're actually using them in service.
There's not another one coming. Alright, here comes this train coming. It just literally interrupted us again.
It already did it twice, or maybe even more.
Here comes Bachman.
212. And 223.
Why is it this one that Hill Devon?
Because the signs just get stuck a lot.
Say it again, like how you did on the Cedar in Westmoreland.
Because the signs just get stuck.
You know how you say it just gets stuck sometimes.
Oh yeah.
That's how you always say it. It just gets stuck sometimes. Have we already seen the LBJ Central?
We've seen it many times.
Okay, come on. Finally, we can go talk to them.
Okay, I'm gonna stop recording. Okay, yeah, we got another DART train as well as these 2 buses.
So I'll post part 1 and part 2.
Yeah, they're still throwing rocks across the track. Just wait until they try to hit a train with it.
How many cars is it?
1.
One car, so it's DFW.
Yeah, it's going to DFW.
That yellow signal, it means it's an orange line for DFW.
Obviously, because it's pointing to the orange line
Or you
track.
know what? I'll change it up. If this video gets to 500 views, I'll try to go to Hidden Ridge Station.
Yes, we gotta collab at the news station.
Yeah, I'll do that. I promise.
I went there recently. I don't know if you've seen it.
Yeah, I seen it. And guys, here's his face.
Yeah, what's up? Here's his face.
Yeah, what's up? Subscribe to DFW Railfan production.
Yes.
And John's Train Adventures, of course.
Is that train terminating there?
Is it just us, or did it just turn off its lights?
It turned off its headlights.
Yeah.
They were on a second ago.
Yeah, guys, so y'all better say that. Y'all better say DFW Railfan production. Y'all better say I want him to collaborate with John, then I'll bring him.
Oh, turn on its lights.
I'll turn on his lights. Or guys, if you don't subscribe to his channel, we won't collaborate anymore.
And the DART train will run you over, even if you're in your house.
Or instead of just not collaborating each other.
Oh, it's moving. It's moving.
Yeah, the train will run you over.
Yeah.
No, we're just kidding. Okay, here it comes. Here comes the horn show. 167.
He's literally just dancing.
That was 167.
Okay, yeah, and we're gonna do a collaboration, me and John, a collaboration with More Texas Transit Production, so stay tuned for that. It's going to be on June 5th, so like 2 weeks.
Or if y'all say, if one person say that good video or nice catch, I'll try to go to Richland Hill with him.
Yeah.
Or I will try to go to Hidden Ridge Station with him. We haven't been there before.
We're gonna railfan at the news station. Well, I mean, it's not really new,
we'll
but
try to go to the Bell Line Station.
yeah. Okay, so yeah, you can see the train on this bridge here.
It's funny that he's laughing.
I don't think he cares.
Here comes another one.
I'm gonna be on the sidewalk for this one.
Me too. Oh yeah, guys. In the previous video, some other YouTuber was over there on the grass.
I would say that YouTuber's name, but like, I'm not going to because it'll just make this video cringy.
Yeah. Yeah. And here comes another ghost.
Oh, there's another one over here.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna stay on the sidewalk.
I'm staying on the sidewalk too.
I'm just saying. Here it comes. Get ready. The signal's about to go down.
Yep.
Oh yeah, guys. And another thing, we can't reveal to y'all what street we are on.
Okay, yeah, and
How about we can tell you where we are? We're here at Bachman Station.
as you can see, there's the platform over there.
Yeah, and if any of y'all want to see us, Railfan, y'all can park over there.
Yes.
Alright, guys. Here it comes.
Yeah, and an announcement for you old viewers, like, if you've been subscribed during like when I've recorded vertically, and if you've seen like some of them being deleted, well, I'm just deleting, and you're wondering why they're being deleted, well, I'm just deleting them.
Here comes LBJ Central.
Yeah, just for no reason. 134. I feel like we've seen that earlier. $2.40 and $2.51. Yeah, so I'm just deleting all the videos that I recorded vertically, no matter how many views they've gotten. Especially the videos with over 1,000 views. I'm only going to have I'm horizontally recorded videos from now on.
Hey, is it good that finally our phone does not have to stop again?
Yes.
I swear to God, if it stops again, me and him are gonna be furious.
Yeah.
Here it comes! Oh, here comes Bachman!
I knew it was Bachman.
Okay, guys, let's lay down on the ground just for y'all.
Yeah.
Alright, come on, let's do it.
Do you like the angles where I'm on the ground?
Yeah. I actually like
Or
it.
like standing up? Which do you like better?
I like when you go down on the ground.
Okay, I'll keep doing that. Because someone else likes it too.
Yeah. And here comes his lights.
Oh dang, that's going fast.
He has a
223, I think we saw it earlier.
223.
We've seen it earlier.
seen it.
We've seen 223 earlier.
220.
We've seen that earlier. When the next train comes, I'm gonna be at the platform, then I'll come back here.
Yeah, I'm gonna stay right here.
I'll just go to the platform now.
Yeah, I'm gonna stay right here. You're kind of confused of this track right here.
Yeah. And anyways, here are the
You don't
buses.
understand why they have to put two tracks on here if the no car train's gonna run on this one.
Exactly. Okay, yeah, anyways, here's John's Train Adventures right here.
And he already said that in the last video.
Yeah. I'm just mentioning it again because we're like repeating ourselves because this is another collab.
Alright guys, we're gonna go back to that railroad crossing.
I'm gonna stay here.
Okay, how about let's do one video right here and then we'll move on to the railroad crossing.
Yeah, one shot right here and then the
Then we'll move on.
railroad crossing.
And then maybe we'll do a little bit of this over there at that railroad crossing because me and him are good. We like honks.
Yeah. I dare you to ask my viewers or your viewers to like make a comment on how many times we said railroad crossing,
No.
like a counter.
No, because I'm not recording. Because I already paused. Or you should say.
I'm just recording because the train's about to come.
Hey guys.
Well, it's not
Hey,
here
guys,
yet, so I'll just
me and
record
him
the
like
buses.
it to do it right here because we get to see like dark shapes going around the corner over there.
Yes. Oh, there it is.
Oh.
The camera can see that, but like it's
Comes the dark
blurry.
train.
I guess they're just using one car today, except the green line. I'm staying here. I'm staying here. Here are the buses again. There's the announcement.
We're gonna go to the car to get water.
Okay. 191. Oops.
Alright. I'll stay here.
I'm going back to the crossing.
Hold on. Will you wait? I'm gonna
Wait for his mom.
I'm gonna wait. I'll go with her.
I don't have time because the train's over there.
It's a 2-car.
So, I was about to say Bachman. It's a North Carrollton bound.
It's a North Carrollton. Guess what? We have an LBJ Central coming soon.
Yeah, that's right.
We're gonna have a meet. Just imagine 3 trains. Oh, here comes LBJ Central. Oh yeah, if y'all can't see it over here, LBJ Central's over there crossing.
Yeah, you can clearly see
If
the
y'all
train.
zoom in, y'all can see it.
Or if you just pay close attention, you'll see it. Because I zoomed in.
Yeah. And the
Okay, am I
crossings are about to go
hallucinating?
down.
Or was that just lightning?
And guys, we'll start Railfanning here if y'all like our videos.
Yes, true.
If people just likes our video, we'll come here all the time whenever we can.
Yeah, because I actually love it here.
Yeah, or he'll start. Oh, here it comes.
I didn't realize how much fun this was instead of at Union Station.
Yeah, there's more fun over
There
here.
comes that train.
Do you see it? Like coming around the corner?
Yeah. The camera doesn't see it, but I do.
It's gonna be coming around the corner any second.
There's Jan.
Yeah. In a little bit. Oh, here comes North Carrollton.
Let me see. 122. It looks like. Yeah, 122. And 165. Where the heck is that train at?
Here comes LBJ Central. You'll see it coming around the corner.
I see it now. Yeah, I see it too. I see it, yes. Yeah. 238. I think I saw that earlier too.
Why is there no sign on it? There's no name sign.
I don't know, it's just stuck again.
Okay, here. Okay, finally. Alright, guys, this is our last video.
I don't know why I was walking.
Yeah. Alright, guys, this is our last video with DW Railfan.
I don't know why that train has.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, guys.
One headlight is bright, the other one isn't.
Subscribe to DW Railfan Production.
or else a TRE train will run you over.
And John's train adventures, of course.
Yeah. I'm getting on the ground for this one.
Alright, I'm gonna stand on for this one.
Yo, that's 195. No, I'm not getting on the ground.
195. Yeah,
That's the same person from my Farmer's Branch video.
175.
That's the same operator from my Farmer's Branch video.
Don't stop recording. Don't stop recording. Because I have to tell the viewers something.
Okay.
Alright, I'll tell them after this comes up. Alright guys, make sure y'all subscribe to DFW Railfan Production.
Yes, and subscribe to John's Train Adventures. I love how there's a cop there.
Yeah, and and each of us are gonna put part 1 and part 2.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put Railfanning at Bachman Station with DFW Railfan Production part 1 and then part 2. Can you do Railfanning at Railfanning Bachman Station with John's Train Adventures part 1 and part 2 with the same name?
Yeah, that's what I plan to do.
Alright, let's stop recording.